Yeah. All right. And go. Good evening. Good
Good evening.
evening.
Good evening.
You
Hey,
guys already
hey.
know. Hope everyone's having a great evening. Everyone's getting prepared. Absolutely. Wealth code hack. Yes, indeed. Great evening. Great evening. Great evening. Get all this stuff getting over. All this stuff gonna pop up on my computer now. Cause come on. Stop.
Mm,
You hear this? Do you hear that? Okay,
I
it
hear
stopped.
clicking. I don't hear anything else.
Oh, okay. All right. So, great evening, great evening, great evening. I hope everyone is having an amazingly blessed, prosperous, money making Monday. We're here live and
Yes,
direct in full
yes.
effect. Yes, indeed. On a mission, on mandate. So, you already know the routine. Three people you love, three people you care about, one person that needs a financial blessing or breakthrough. We're going to be very quick with this information. We're going to bless you guys. I did take a look. We did see the profit today. And we'll be showing you guys that later on. So, again, every day is profit. So, again, we're thankful, we're blessed, and the wealth code has finally been hacked. And we're here to show you how to become your own bank for free. Okay. So we
Yes,
promise, we're committed. We're going to do this all the way up until the halvening. Okay. And we're going to show
yes.
you guys how to create a new destiny and create wealth and leave a legacy for your children's children for free. All right. You already know the disclaimer. If you've seen our lives, this is something free we're giving to you, right? Cost you nothing. We're not here to sell you anything. There's nothing to pay to join, none of that. That's another, on somebody else's Zoom. Right here, we're here to show you how to become your own bank, how to create that stimulus every single month, right? Whether it's 1,200, 1,500, you put your number, we can show you how to create that stimulus every single month, no matter who you are, where you are. So let's get this thing popping. Uh, we're doing this 3 times a day, all the way up until the outing, which is May the 12th. So I want you guys to just go ahead, be a blessing to someone else, tag someone, start the watch party, do whatever you need to do. But we need to see three people you love, three people you care about, and one person that needs a financial blessing or breakthrough. We're going to get this thing started in 11 minutes. So you got time.
Awesome.
Invite your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your ex, whoever. It's Money Making Mondays. We're going to show you how to become your own bank. We're going to show you how to have your money working for you harder than you do, regardless if you do or not. If you're watching the live, no matter where you're at in the world, I need you to type your name and your city and state, please. Please type where you're dialing in from, where in the world you're calling in from, whether it's the United States, your city and your state, or if you're out of the country, whether you're in Ghana, Jamaica, India, it doesn't matter. Just let us know where you're logging in from. Just type it in the chat, please. Absolutely.
Yes, I'm sending out a few invites. Oh, we are down there. Alrighty. There we are. So excited. All right. We have some of our investors are hopping on.
All right.
Excellent. Excellent.
Just getting started.
Give me a hard time here. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. Get our watch parties going.
All right. Pache, hey, how are you? Hope you're having a blessed evening. Yes, indeed. Pache the prophetess. How are you? Hope you're having a blessed evening. Where you dialing in from? Where you logging in from, I should say.
Switch over to the chat. Let's see.
So again, we're going to get this thing started very shortly. Want everyone to just go ahead and invite 3 people you love, 3 people you care about, one person that needs a financial blessing or breakthrough, and we're going to get started in just a few minutes.
Yes. Uh-oh.
Go ahead, tag some people, start the watch parties. I promise you, this is going to be a blessing. We've cracked the wealth code. No one else is doing this. All right? Absolutely. Bless up my brother KP.
All right, KP is in the house.
Yes, indeed. We're about to get this party started. We're on a mission. Okay. All right. Absolutely. Greetings. I'm so blessed to have you on. Absolutely. Queen Dietrich, big up yourself. We definitely have to connect. I'm so blessed to see you. Absolutely. Yes, indeed. This is going to be a blessing to you. I hope you're being safe. All right. You're an essential worker, so my prayers are always with you, my sister. I appreciate you for logging on. Absolutely. This is going to be a blessing to you. We're going to get started in about 5 minutes, and we're going to give you this free information. Okay, this free information. I'm here with my coach, Coach CJ from the West Coast. She's actually a minister, and we're here to bless you with this financial information, this financial blessing, as well as this financial lesson. Okay, so just sit back, relax. We're going to give you this information for free, right? There's nothing to buy, nothing to sell, nothing to join. So I promise you, this is going to be a blessing. The only thing we're going to ask for you is pass the blessing on, right? Because I learned years ago, a blessing is not a blessing unless you pass it on.
It's
So
so
again,
powerful and so true.
yeah. So we need everyone to participate. Pass the blessing on. Absolutely, KP. We appreciate you. Tag 3 people, right? Invite 3 people you love, 3 people you care about, and at least one person that needs a financial blessing or a breakthrough. Absolutely. We promise you will be blessed. We've had an
I'm so
amazing
excited already.
weekend. We launched about
Yes.
72. hours ago, and the numbers are just incredible of the lives that we've impacted financially. Um, not just in the
Yes.
past few months, but just in the past few days. So I'm really excited. A lot of people saw a profit already. They don't even know what they're doing. They don't have to do anything. I should correct myself. They don't even know what's going on. They don't understand forex. They don't understand Bitcoin. They just know that they got a profit today, all right? So that's powerful, and it cost them nothing, right? It was because we gave them a financial lesson. We've cracked the wealth code, and we're so excited that we finally found a way to level the playing field where we can help everyone. So again, we're going to get started in 4 minutes exactly. So I want you guys to just go ahead, invite three people you love, three people you care about, tag the names, and at least one person you know that needs a financial blessing or breakthrough. People are hurting right now. There's some people that don't even have food. Okay, there's some people that don't even have food.
Right.
Absolutely, yeah. And people are suffering, and we're here to show them how they can have their breakthrough. Okay, I'm not talking about in the future. I'm talking about now. Okay, we're here to show people how they can have their breakthrough. A lot of you that even just listen to what I'm saying will be in profit tomorrow and every single day. A lot of you will be in profit tomorrow, and it costs you nothing. You don't have to stop and learn anything. It doesn't matter who you are, where you are. Coach Pasha Queen Dietra is saying hello to you.
Hey, how are you? How are you?
Absolutely.
Folks tagging
Yes,
me.
you
This is
better receive
good.
it.
That's so
You
cool.
better receive that, my sister. Right? I'm glad she's on because this is going to be a blessing for you. I promise you that. All right, so just stick around. We're going to get started, and you better receive it in 3 minutes. Okay? This is truly going to be a blessing. Right? As Coach says, we're on a mandate. Right? I like to say we're on a mission. The coach says
Yeah.
we're on mandate. Right? We were
Mandate.
chosen,
Yes.
and we were chosen to voice to spread this message of wealth, right? Because right now there's a transfer going on. There's a transfer of wealth. There's a shift happening, right? And
Yes.
it's truly amazing, right? Because we're actually living this. Absolutely, no problem. We'll see you on
Mm.
Facebook. Log right back on. We're gonna get started in 2 minutes, so we're gonna wait for you. Okay, so there's a shift happening, right? And we've cracked the wealth code, right? And we're on a mission, we're on a mandate to
Yeah.
free the masses, right? And our goal is to free 2020 families. We've set this goal to do this in the year of 2020. And we're so blessed and grateful that it's going to happen very, very shortly. Okay. So our goal, our dream, our wish is for you to receive just as we have received, right? Because there's a science in giving, right?
Right.
There's a science in giving and receiving, right? You can't have one without the other.
Absolutely.
It's impossible
That's
to
right.
give and not receive. I'm telling you that, right? So we're excited. We're going to give
That's
you this for free, all right? Because we've been blessed to receive, all right? And we're receiving more and more and more. So we want to give more and more. So again, we're going to get started in 60 seconds. Again, I'm going to say this one last time. If you're listening to the sound of my voice, I need you to type in the chat where you're logging in from. And I also need you to invite three people you love, three people you care about, and one person that needs a financial blessing or breakthrough. Okay, that's the most important thing. One person that needs a financial blessing or breakthrough, right? And we're going to get this party started. Absolutely. Dietra is back. Yes, indeed. So we're live and direct in full
awesome.
effect and right on time. I want to respect everyone's time because time is your most valuable asset. Okay. where we're going to talk to you about the number one producing asset in history. But don't get it twisted. Time is your most producing, is your uh number one asset, right? Because you can always make more money. You can never get back your time. Okay. So we're gonna get started.
Yeah.
I'm excited to have each and every one of you. I'm excited, Queen, all the way from the West Coast, my partner in success, right, Coach CJ Johnson. I am Marvin Tackey. I'm better known in the industry as a financial minister. I am the creator and founder of Create Wealth Network. Like I said, I'm here with the coach. She's the founder and creator of New Destiny Wealth Builders. We've been trading for a couple of years. We met a couple of years ago in the foreign exchange market, and the coach gave me a call a few months ago. We formed a great relationship, a business partnership. We're both extremely passionate about giving and serving others, helping others level up in life. We're both been entrepreneurs for several years now, and we're really excited,
Yeah.
right? She gave me a call back in November. Actually, I don't know if you know, Coach, that was 2 days after my birthday. My birthday was November 12th. You gave me this call November 14th, and you told me I really, yeah, you don't even know
Oh,
that, right? And you told me I had to
mm,
really look at this thing. And when I looked at it, I was so excited because I said, I don't think you realize how excited I was because I realized I finally found it, right? I should say, we found it. We've cracked the wealth code,
yeah.
right? Because there's
Mm,
several of my friends are on the line, right? Several of you guys have friends, right? That we've tried to help a lot of times along the way. For instance, we've been Forex traders for a couple of years
mm,
now, right? Forex is an amazing skill set. I mean, being able to tap into $6.7 trillion a day, right? That's amazing. But the truth of the matter, let me be transparent. I'll be transparent. I've lost thousands of dollars learning that skill set, right? And spent tons of hours and sleepless nights, blood, sweat, and tears learning that skill
ooh,
set, right? And although I'm blessed to say that, yes, I'm a fairly good trader now, right? But the truth of the matter is, there's a lot of people I couldn't help. Why? Because there's a lot of single moms, right? That have, kids, young children, and they didn't have the time or even the money it takes to invest in something like that, right? And although they were
yeah.
suffering, a lot of them came to me, and I wish I could help them. You know, I mean, think about it. I mean, not everyone has the luxury of time freedom where they can spend hours and hours to learn their skill set, right? There are a lot of
It's a,
different things we've had that are very prosperous for people, but we couldn't help the masses. And that's why I'm so excited today because we've cracked the wealth code. We can show everyone and anyone,
yeah.
if you're listening to the sound of my voice, I don't care who you are. I always say it, I don't care where you are. Okay? I don't care if you're like I said, the mom. I don't care if you're the single mom with one child. I don't care if you're the single mom with 10 children, right? I don't care if you're the college dropout. I don't care if you're the college grad. I don't care who you are, what your occupation is, what your situation is, because this is a free program, right? This is a free blessing we're going to give you. It costs you nothing. There's nothing to join, nothing to buy, nothing to pay for, right? There's nothing to sell, none of that, okay? And there's nothing to even learn, okay? So I'm going to go through this information
That's
very
right.
quickly, okay? And the company that myself and coach have formed this strategic partnership up with, we're going to talk about it right now. Let me share my screen. Sit back, relax. It's 4:20. I don't care what you do. Just, just kick back. This is going to be a blessing to you. All right. Let's get this thing started. All right. The only thing that's required is an open mind because a closed mind will never get fed. And to be honest, this is so simple and so easy. But if you have a closed mind, you're going to miss a blessing. All right. So do me a favor, coach. Let me know if you can see my screen.
Yes, absolutely.
Awesome. So, like I said, the company that we formed this strategic partnership up with, why we're so excited, when we realize we can help the masses, we can help everyone, is a company called Mirror Trading International. And as I go through this information, you may hear me reference it as MTI for short. Okay. So, Mirror Trading International is a licensed and registered company. It's based in South Africa. Okay. It was founded in April of 2019. We're so excited. In about 10 days, April 30th, we're celebrating 1 year anniversary of success. Okay. Success for all the investors. Okay. The company has a headquarters that's based in Cape Town, South Africa. And this is the man behind the master plan. His name is Johan Steinberg. He's the CEO and founder of MTI. I love how this gentleman set the company up. Okay, because I've never seen anything like this before. He set it up where every single person, no matter who you are, where you are, you can win. Okay. And what I love about this is the principle is based off of 100% transparency. And as I go through the information, you'll see exactly why I say that. Okay. The company has all the ducks in place. The attorneys and legal advisors are all working rogues. They're there to make sure NTI is compliant, legal to operate all across the globe. Again, I said in the beginning, this is for everyone. I don't care where you are in the world. We have investors from Ghana, India, Jamaica, Kenya. It doesn't matter. Anywhere in the world, anyone can do this. Okay. Now, again, why are you here? We're here to show you simply how to grow and compound your Bitcoin. Why Bitcoin? Because if you don't know, Bitcoin is the number one producing asset in history. Okay. It's even outperformed real estate. Okay. So I want to talk to some people. Let me talk to the people that don't even know what Bitcoin is. Maybe we have some ladies and gentlemen that are scratching their heads like, okay, you think it's a real coin. You see it with the B. Okay, Bitcoin is digital currency. Okay, it's a way of the future. It's an asset. People are considering like digital gold, and basically, you just want to get as much as you can as fast as you can. Okay, but here's the truth of the matter: this is not about understanding Bitcoin, because I don't care if you can even spell Bitcoin. We're going to show you how you can earn Bitcoin daily and have your money working harder than you do, regardless if you work or not. Okay. Now let me talk to the people that do understand Bitcoin. Okay. Some of you have been blessed. I don't care if you own 1 Bitcoin, 5 Bitcoin, 10 Bitcoin. The truth of the matter is that 1 Bitcoin today, tomorrow, next week, next month, 10 years from now is still only 1 Bitcoin. Okay. We know what's going to happen with the price of Bitcoin. We know that experts are predicting by 2021, 1 Bitcoin that is, barely $7,000 now is going to be 100 grand, 135 grand. Okay. But again, that's still 1 Bitcoin you have. The difference is by having that 1 Bitcoin parked over here with MTI, although there's nothing guaranteed in the markets, okay, we're blessed to say for 11 months straight, we had not had a losing day. That means we've been growing and compounding, earning Bitcoin every single day, okay, for 11 months straight. That's amazing. Okay. So that 1 Bitcoin that you have now, just based off of those results, although nothing's guaranteed in the market, that means that by next year today, you would have 3.13 Bitcoin. Okay. We have an amazing system here. Everything is in Bitcoin. Okay. So all of your deposits in Bitcoin, every single profit that's earned is in Bitcoin, right? That's amazing because for us that if you made $200 today, I don't care if it was trading or whatever you do to make $200, that's only $200. But $200 in Bitcoin today could be $2,000 in Bitcoin tomorrow. Okay, that's the power of Bitcoin. And what's amazing is we're in a position where we can double dip. You just heard me say that we've been in a position for 10, 11 months straight There has not been a losing day. And we're so blessed to say that we've been receiving, although nothing's guaranteed. Okay, I can just tell you what has happened historically. Although historical results doesn't mean anything, guarantee future results. Okay, but for 10 months straight, 11 months going on now, we've been receiving 10 to 12% a month on our investment. And that's huge because every single person that's listening to my voice, you have a bank account and you're barely getting 0.07% a year, right? You're getting ripped
Mhm.
off. The banks are doing what we're doing right now. They're taking, no bank has a money. No bank has money. They have your money. They're investing your money, giving you no profits, right? They're making the profits, and then they charge you interest. But we're in a unique position where we can double dip because not only have we been receiving 10 to 12% a month just on the compounding side, right, with our Bitcoin growing and accumulating every single day, regardless of who you are, where you are, no matter what your situation is, because this is done for you, right? There's no skill required. There's nothing to do but just watch your Bitcoin grow. But also, when the price of Bitcoin rises, so does the value of your trading account. So that's why I say we can double dip. Okay. How in the world is this done? This is done through a very sustainable business model, trading Forex Monday through Friday. Okay. You simply having your money work for you 24 hours a day, Monday through Friday. Okay. Again, this is not about understanding Bitcoin or Forex. I don't care if you understand it. Okay. Like I said, there's some Forex traders online, I'm sure. Maybe some that are watching this watch party, right? But here's the thing, no matter how good we are, we can't compete against this AI software, this advanced intelligence software that's taking six, seven, 800 trades a day with no losses. Well, of course, there's wins and losses, but at the end of the day, all profits, I should say. Okay, that's amazing, right? But on the other hand, the blessing is even if you don't understand Forex or you don't want to understand Forex, good, because you don't have to. This is done for you. This thing is doing all the work for you. And again, the icing on the cake is Bitcoin is the base currency. Okay. Again, pay attention to this. Every single profit that's generated from MTI comes solely from the trading activities. What does that mean? This is not like any of those businesses or programs that you got to pay to join. And so, look, we don't need anyone to join. Okay, it doesn't matter because again, just on the compounding side, I will keep saying we've been receiving 10 to 12% a month. That's unheard of. Okay, and how is that done? That's done through the trading activities. Every single profit that's generated, anything that's ever paid out, even to the staff of MTI, comes solely from the trading activities. Okay, that gives us this long term sustainable business, giving you a position to create financial freedom, whether you know how to trade or not. And your full Bitcoin investment goes into trade working for you the very next day. What does that mean? If you start right now, again, I gave the disclaimer, this is free. See your first profit tomorrow. I don't care if you deposit 10,000, 100,000 worth of Bitcoin. I don't care if you deposit $500 worth of Bitcoin. Right? Every single penny of it goes to working for you, creating passive income. Your money is working harder than you do, regardless if you work or not. Okay, that's the power of this. You're in a position Monday through Friday, 24 hours a day. You're earning passive income through the daily trading activities. And again, no experience is required. Everything is done for you. This is hands free for free. Okay? There's no admin fees, no membership fees. Listen, I don't care what you're thinking. Listen, no fees whatsoever. Nothing to buy, nothing to store in your garage, no hidden fees, no cost, no deductions whatsoever. This thing is truly amazing. Okay, here's an example of the profits that was earned just a couple of days ago. This was what, Thursday? Okay, look at the transparency. I said Johann Steinberg was a genius setting this up because he said, I don't care if you're the little guy, the little gal that only has a couple of $100 of Bitcoin. I salute you. You're still going to get 40% of the daily profits. Okay, if you're the big investor, the seasoned investor that has hundreds of thousands of dollars of Bitcoin, you'll still get 40% of the daily profits. There's none of that thing like levels and different tiers and fancy titles and different things to pay. Look, every single investor will get 40% of the profits. Okay, they even set aside an additional 20% for profit sharing pool. Okay, that's paid out every Saturday. Okay, then they even put out another 5% for a leadership bonus, right? That can be paid out to the field. Okay, we can capitalize on everything on this chart except for the 25% that the traders get because that's what's paying for this AI software. That's again profiting every single day for us. Okay, nothing's guaranteed, but I'm just saying 11 straight, no losses. Okay, that's amazing. Okay, all income is subject to positive daily trading results. What does that mean? Again, this is the long term sustainable business. You're in a unique position to create financial freedom. You can have an investment working for you hands free, okay, in the market, and you don't have to have any experience. Okay, you'll receive daily trading results, 6, 7, sometimes 8 pages of trades. I don't, you can look at all the currencies and stuff. Me, I'm just really concerned to see how much my Bitcoin has grown every day. And I love the fact that everything is done for you. It's compounded automatically. That means if you make $12 today in the market, right, that $12 is added to your trading account tomorrow, working for you. Okay. And every single day is compounded automatically. You do nothing but sit back and watch your money grow. Okay. People are wondering how in the world they can't fathom how we're in a position to make sometimes 200+% in a year, right? And no one can understand that because compound interest is not a reality to you, right? A lot of people say, oh, that's too good to be true. No, that's just not your reality. You're not living it. And we're here to show you that you can live this because we're living this, we're experiencing this. Albert Einstein, he said it best, compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He also said, he who understands it earns it, but he who doesn't pays it. And unfortunately, a lot of you are paying it. You're on the wrong side of money. You're paying compound interest. And now we're here to show you how to be on the right side of money. Become your own bank and earn compound interest. Go about your daily life and grow and accumulate the number one producing asset in history. Okay. So even withdrawals, how does this work? Listen, there's no contracts, no lockdowns, nothing. The only thing that's locked down is us. Right? We're locked down, but your Bitcoin is free. It's free to grow. You can do whatever you want with it. Listen, you're your own investor. You can withdraw in full, you can withdraw in partial. What does that mean? Today's money making Mondays. You can start tonight, right? Have a profit tomorrow. Take it out Wednesday for Wealthy Wednesdays and put it back in for Financial Freedom Fridays. Listen, you can do whatever you want. Withdraw whenever you want, deposit whenever you like. You're your own investor. It doesn't matter. There's no fees. No fees, no penalties. So you can do whatever you want. That's why I'm telling you, we've cracked the wealth code. Become your own bank for free. Have your money working for free and create financial freedom. It's simple. Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. Bitcoin is the ninth wonder of the world. Okay, requests are paid. Withdrawal requests are paid within 48 hours. You got to remember, your money is working for you 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. So it has to stop working in the broker. Your Bitcoin has to come out of trade, be submitted to the MTI, then be submitted to your wallet. So what if this was a Saturday? There's no trading done. Yes, it may take 48 hours. I love the system. The fastest I've experienced is an hour and 18 minutes. Okay. If for all my investors that are listening to the sound of my voice, whether you're a seasoned investor, where you're thinking about investors, this is solely for the investors. Okay. That's what this whole platform is based off of. This is allowing anyone and everyone to become an investor for free and see an immediate profit. But the only thing that I don't know anything out there where you can become an investor and see a profit tomorrow. Okay, for almost nothing. Okay, well there is nothing but cost you nothing, right? This is simply providing you with passive income, sustainable income. That's simply what we're doing here. We're showing you how you can have your Bitcoin growing in trade. That is the heart of MTI, and you can accumulate Bitcoin, more and more Bitcoin every single day. Okay? How in the world do you start? It's very simple. Again, this is a free blessing. It costs you nothing. We're giving you this, right? We're blessed, so we want to bless you, right? Simply thank the person, whoever they invited you to the watch party, the live. Listen, buy them coffee, do something. They deserve it for giving you this financial blessing. Okay. Again, it's for free. Get their referral link. You can register for free. Just create a username and an email and a password. Okay. Fund your account immediately with as minimum. You can even start with a minimum of $100 in Bitcoin. If you're in the US, you can buy that right through Cash App. Right. So anyone and everyone can do this. Right. And if you don't fund it immediately, your account is going to be deleted in 7 days. Okay. Again, this is free. It costs you nothing. Okay, you're in a position where you can earn passively. Again, Bitcoin, you're growing and accumulating it every single day. That is the power of MTI from the sustainable daily trading activities. Okay, that is my portion of uh, the investor program. Okay, alongside, we also have a totally optional referral plan. Okay, this is totally optional because again, this is strictly for the investor. Okay, but I want to take some time. Let me go see. Do we have any questions? Okay, I'm a firm believer that seeing is believing. Okay, documentation beats conversation. Okay, I want to show you how powerful this is. So, what do you say? Someone say, "Show me the money." If you guys want to see the money, say, "Show me the money." If not, I can let my partner do the rest. We can log off. We can say good night. We'll be back. But if anyone wants to see proof, okay, because no one else is doing this, right? I'm not here to just sell you anything because there's nothing to buy. Remember, it's free. But if anyone wants to see the money, just say, "Show me the money." Type it in the comments.
You know, Marvin, while you've been talking, it's just been on my mind how, down through the years you hear of like phenomenal opportunities and individuals after the fact saying, "Oh man, I wish I had have invested in Microsoft when I first heard about it," or "Oh man, I wish I had invested in Google or McDonald's or whatever when it first came out." And that is the level of opportunity that we have. And as we present it to people, I'm praying that folks just don't wait until it's just too out of reach. You know,
Absolutely.
I sincerely pray that individuals seize the moment, that they seize the moment. We have
Absolutely. It's so
someone,
right. So
Dietrich said,
Dietrich
show
said,
me the bag of money.
Dietrich said, show the bag of money. What else? My
Yeah.
brother Diallo, he said, show me the money. All right, so they want to see the money. Okay, so let me show proof. Okay, seeing is believing. Documentation beats conversation. I've been talking all day and I've been showing proof all day. So absolutely, let's show the money. Hold on, let's see. Share, share screen. All right, bam. All right, so let's show the money. Can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
Awesome.
Yes.
So
Yes.
this is the power of Bitcoin growing. Okay. So even though it looks like Bitcoin is, I don't know, maybe it's retracing slightly, maybe it's just breathing, right? But we don't pay attention to that because every single day this amount is growing. This amount of Bitcoin is growing. Now let me show the proof. Okay. I started this back when you gave me a call with $200. Okay.
Wow. Look at
Now I
that.
have, this is just one of my accounts. And not to brag or boast, but I actually did a calculation today and I have 1.54 total Bitcoin invested, growing and working for me. And I had no
Wow.
idea. I knew that was my goal, but I had no idea it would come so fast. And that is the power of what you're about to show, the power of what I shared, and the power of this blessing. But let me show some proof because they said show the bag, right? So you gave me this call. I told you 2 days, Christina. I don't know if you even knew 2 days after my birthday, November 12th.
Wow.
Right? You gave me the call November 14th. I put in $200, and November 15th was a Friday. Okay, and this was the first trading result. And so hold on, 0.31%. The banks don't pay you 0. They pay you about 0.007. And here that first day, I don't trade on Fridays. But this system did the work, not just for me, but every single investor got that same profit. Okay. 0.31%. Came back that Monday, and I was like, hold on. 0.67%. The next day, 0.41%. Are you guys seeing this? 0.58%. Look at the dates. The 21st, 0.68%. 0.43. You can see opening balance. You don't have to understand Bitcoin or trading to see the numbers are increasing. Every day they're getting bigger. Opening balance, trading bonus, closing balance. Right? Hold on. And what's happening? Trading. The software is making trades. All these pages are trades. I don't care. I just want to see how much my Bitcoin is growing every day. Right? That's what's so powerful.
Right.
And look, every single day, hold on, previous day, okay, November 26th, 0.83%. The next day, 0.33%. Again, every single person that's listening to the sound of my voice, you heard me say you can tippy toe. I don't care if you start with $1,000. We got some investors that tippy toe with 100. If all you have with $100 to invest, I salute you. Because that $100 in your bank account in 1 year, you will have $100.07. No, because there's going to be fees. But here I'm telling
That's
you,
right.
the worst case scenario, your $100 will grow 10 to 12% a month on average. But this is the proof, right? 0.67%, 0.51. Look at the days. I mean, numbers don't lie. Look at this. December the 3rd, 0.90%. The next day was a slower day, 0.28%. Then this looked like the software got mad or something. It came back with 0.85. Look at this. Slower day, 0.18. Look at the transparency, but it's profit. Every day is profit. 0.18, and it came back again. 0.98%.
Wow.
Look at it. Every day. There's no losses. And the numbers keep increasing. Okay, hold on. This is January. Look, February, still profits. Still, look at this 0.91%, 0.50. Hold on.
Every
Hold
day.
on. Every day. March, profits 0.24, 0.72, 0.81, 0.21, 0.91, 0.99. Do you guys see this? Like I said, we've cracked the wealth code. We're going to show everyone that's listening to the sound of my voice how to take that stimulus that Trump gave you once a year. I'm going to show you how to create it every month. And for those of you that have faith as small as a mustard seed, I'm telling you, I can show you how to do this every week. Because we're living this. We're no longer on trial. We've helped over 300 plus people do this before we started these lives. Okay, hold on. I told you guys I was going to show the profits for today. Okay, look at this. It was a slow profit, but profit is profit. I'm not going to turn it down. 0.16. Every single investor got 0.16. Okay? Like, this is truly amazing. Now, hold on. Someone's saying, well, what about withdrawals? I told you guys, you have full control over your investment. You can withdraw whenever you like, as much as you like. Later on tonight, I'm going to do another withdrawal. And y'all going to see that tomorrow. Right? We'll see how fast it hits my account. Look at this. I did a withdrawal on the 14th. Paid. Paid. On the 1st. Paid. 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 You have full control over your account. I think it's truly amazing. This is simply money making money making money. Do we have any questions? Absolutely. Roman Michael said it best. Multiplying money. Money working harder than everybody right now. Absolutely. Because no one can work. Can you give me the site link? Absolutely, John Tom. Can you give me some BTC, sir? Yes, teacher, we need to talk. Absolutely. So, I've talked enough. I want to pass it over to my success partner, right? Because Johann Steinberg set this company up amazing, right? Every investor, I told you, will earn 40% of the daily profits. Let me see my people. Coach, Johann Steinberg said every investor, and we have some people that are solely investors, okay? But to be very transparent, there's some people like me that are passionate about people. There's some people like you that are passionate about people, right? I've never been so excited where I can show someone that they can level up and they can see a profit the very next day. There's a totally optional referral plan. You know how Cash App will refer you like $5, right?
Right.
If somebody gets started. Well, Johann Steinberg set this up so crazy because he's like, well, he's focused on making sure this is a long-term legacy, sustainable business. So he's not going to take his time as much as he probably loves me. But back in November, he probably wouldn't have took the time to come help me become an investor. But I'm thankful that you did. I'm thankful that our friend from South Africa that actually is right next door works with corporate. I'm
Yeah.
thankful she shared it with you. I'm thankful that we've known her for some time. Right? So that's the beauty of being a blessing and passing it on. Right? So I want you to take it away, coach. I want you to pass this blessing on to the masses and show them how not only can they earn a 40% as an investor, but just by opening their mouth if they choose to. Because don't get me wrong, some investors choose to keep this their best kept secret. They choose to put in their 2, 3 Bitcoin, $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, their couple $100 worth of Bitcoin, and go about their daily lives. And that's their prerogative. That's okay. Because this is for the investor. But for the people like me and you,
Right.
I want you to let the cat out of the bag and show them how they can earn that weekly stimulus, right? That, whatever number they want, they write their own paycheck and they can see that every single week. All
Wow.
right.
Thank you so much, Marvin. It is just the heart of MTI is so powerful and so dynamic itself. It just blows my mind that there is another aspect where there's even additional opportunity to increase and grow Bitcoin. Thank you so much for sharing the heart and soul of the company. MTI is not a multi-level marketing company, folks. It is an investment company. That's it, and that's all. It is an investment company utilizing Bitcoin, compounding your Bitcoin daily through trading that takes place behind the scenes through AI software. And that is the simplicity of this company. As Marvin mentioned, he and I are enjoying the rewards of that system, as are 24,000 investors worldwide. We are enjoying those daily profits. And he graciously went to his back office and showed you how that works. When I started with MTI just a couple of days before Marvin did, my goal was to test the system. It was to test the system. I wanted to make sure that I qualified for all of the various ways that my Bitcoin could compound, and what I my best my best expectation was that I would actually earn the 10 to 12% on average a month. That was my goal. I said, I have a couple of $100 as an investor. You do your due diligence, and then you have to literally pull the trigger. You have to say, okay, well, either I'm in or I'm out, right? And so I determined nothing ventured, nothing gained. $200, if the company went belly up, if I lost the $200, I would at least walk away with the satisfaction that I had done my homework and I had stepped out to take advantage of the opportunity, which I don't do too often. So I had definitely done my due diligence. Much to my surprise, within my first uh, my first month or so, my account doubled, my Bitcoin doubled, and in under 2 months, my Bitcoin tripled. That I did
Mm.
not expect. That exceeded my expectation, and maybe one or two of you on the call can relate to exceeding abundantly above all that I could ask, think, or imagine.
Mm.
Yeah, that's from a biblical perspective, right? And at that point, I had to just share the opportunity. And what I discovered is something that I'm going to give you a glimpse into right now. This is a residual income opportunity and not a network marketing opportunity. And we have to be crystal clear on that. MTI is an investment company. This is not a multi-level marketing. There's no recruiting, no fees, no auto ships, no packages. Uh, Marvin made that clear in his presentation. So I just want each and every listener to be clear on that aspect. The optional affiliate program, however, that unlocks additional bonuses are generated from you sharing, or I should say more accurately, for you assisting other individuals in setting up their account. That's what it boils down to. If you assist the next person, your mother, your father, your friend, your children, your cousin, uncle, neighbors, co-workers, you assist them in registering their account, MTI compensates you with more Bitcoin. Simple referral program. MTI offers three types of bonuses within the referral program. The first bonus is a 10% direct referral bonus. And guys, let me just share this with you, how powerful this one bonus is, even if you don't participate in the other two. Uh, when I first started sharing beyond my trading community, this opportunity was pretty much the end of last year, the beginning of this year. I had one investor in particular. I love sharing this because it really just opened my eyes to how powerful this 10% direct referral bonus is. They registered their account, made their own personal deposit of $200 just to test the system out. MTI paid me or compensated me a 10% direct referral bonus of $20. That's 10% of what that person deposited. Did that come out of that person's deposit? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. This is a standalone bonus that MTI pays directly to you simply for assisting someone else in registering their account. A week and a half later, the same person, understand this clearly, this 10% direct referral bonus can happen several times, even multiple times with the same person. About a week and a half later, the same person deposited an additional $10,000 into their account. MTI paid me a 10% direct referral bonus of $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. Now that totally overshadows, overrides, and outshines the 10 to 12% per month. Wouldn't you say? So,
Mm.
in addition to that 10% direct referral bonus, there's a 20% weekly profit sharing bonus. And the way that that profit sharing bonus works, and you'll see that within the next couple of slides, is that you have an opportunity to create a weekly revenue stream. And then lastly, there's a 5% leadership bonus that's above and beyond the 20% weekly profit sharing bonus. Referral bonuses. All bonuses come from daily trading income and are therefore financially sustainable. It's like, well, man, if MTI above and beyond the compounding, if they are paying out these bonuses, how are they able to do that? Where are the resources coming from? They're coming from the trading activity that transpires every single day. You earn a 10% direct referral bonus. You will need at least $50 worth of Bitcoin in your investment account to qualify to earn the 10% direct referral bonus. 20% of the daily income results are allocated to the weekly binary profit sharing pool. I want you to remember that word binary. This 20%, this is where the magic really happens because this is where an individual gets an opportunity to create weekly income, weekly bonuses every single week on Friday evening. We discover how much our weekly binary profit sharing pool bonus is. Next slide. So this is how it looks. In order to become binary qualified, you must uh, begin your account or your initial deposit in your account must be no less than $200, no less than $200. And then you assist two other individuals in registering their accounts, and they must fund their accounts with no less than $100. So, what does this structure do? What does this, if you fall within these guidelines, what does that do? That unlocks all these additional bonuses. I'm telling you, just to think that above and beyond the heart and soul of MTI being an investment company and us compounding our Bitcoin daily, to receive and unlock these additional bonuses are literally life changing. And yeah, those are some technical slides. If you're interested in participating, definitely your sponsor will be able to walk you through that step by step. Binary bonuses are paid. How often, guys?
Every
Every
week.
single week, according to the Bitcoin value of your weaker leg. Creating, look at that word, creating your weekly residual income. Listen, and I've shared this before, but you may be new to the call, and this is so powerful to me, and I have to share it each and every time. Prior to me being introduced to MTI, I did not have a guaranteed weekly income, especially not one that was coming in passively every single week like clockwork. With MTI and being in a position to unlock this 20% weekly profit sharing bonus, I noticed initially every week The first bonus was maybe $1 and some change, and then the next week maybe $11, and then it grew to in maybe 20 something dollars, then $33, and then in the 70s, and then 100 or so dollars, and so on and so on and so on. Every single week, every single week, we receive that 20% weekly profit sharing bonus. And those bonuses aren't flushed out. And you don't have to start all over the next week. Not at all. It compounds. Everything with this company compounds. So the weekly profit sharing bonuses actually increase every single week. There is a cap, however, on how much you can earn for the simple binary bonuses. And I share with folks, this is not a typo. This does not say $750 worth of Bitcoin per week, which would be phenomenal. Now, let's just be clear. If the company was saying, okay, you're capped at $750 worth of Bitcoin per week, that would be phenomenal in terms of a revenue stream, wouldn't you say? But the truth of the matter is, the cap is $75,000 worth of Bitcoin per week. We can set our eyes on that goal and watch our weekly income of Bitcoin increase week after week after week after week until it hits that $75,000 worth of Bitcoin per week. That's something I could get used to. Oh, yes. Simply by sharing this with others and assisting them in registering their accounts. There's a 7-day pending period. All referral and binary bonuses are subject to a 7-day waiting period. So when your bonuses are paid, whether it's the 10% direct referral bonus or if it's the 20% weekly profit sharing bonus, those bonuses appear in your back office. For us, it's on Friday evening, and then there's a little timer that counts down 7 days, and then it's released into your control, whether you want to withdraw it and use it as your weekly income, or if you want to just roll it into your account so that it continues to compound. The beautiful thing that's transpiring in those 7 days is that the funds company wide are still being traded. Trading is taking place. Trading, this entire company is all based on trading. But not trading, like Marvin said it so eloquently earlier, not trading that you and I physically have to do. And yes, I am a trader, pretty doggone good one at this point, after all those investments of classes and sleepless nights, like Marvin mentioned. However, this is totally hands-free. And then lastly, the leadership bonus. Now, that's an additional 5% above and beyond the 20% weekly profit sharing, above and beyond the 10% direct referral bonus, and above and beyond the average of 10 to 12% monthly compounding trading bonuses. We get this 5% leadership bonus. And let me just give you a sneak peek on what it takes to qualify for that additional 5%. There you have it. So in order to come in as an investor, I just want you to remember these 3 things. To come in as an investor, you never tell anyone else about it. You don't want any bonuses. The recommendation is that you fund your account with no less than $100. That's it. That's all. Put your investment in and let the compounding take place. The second thing that's available to you through the referral program is becoming binary qualified. We just talked about that a minute ago. You must fund your account with no less than $200 and then help 2 other individuals register their accounts with no less than $100. That's binary qualified. But to become leadership binary qualified, to qualify for that additional 5% each week, you come in, you fund your personal account with no less than $200, and then the 2 individuals that you assist in registering their account, they fund their account with no less than $200 as well. And then at that point, you are qualified for every single bonus that MTI offers. Why leave anything on the table is my perspective. This is definitely optional. You don't have to do it, but at least I'm giving you a little bit of a glimpse into what's required should you decide to. So we've already established if there are trading profits, the last 10, 11 months, there's been trading profits every single day. If there are trading profits, that's where our income is generated from. That's where the bonuses are generated and paid for. If there are no trading profits, then no income can be paid and no bonuses can be paid. MTI is a real company. No hype, no hype. It's just straightforward, clean, clear, and simple. Please remember this, because I'm getting ready to conclude in about one more slide, I believe. But please remember this: if you choose to join the referral program, remember that it's a referral program. Remember that MTI is an investment company and not a multi-level marketing company. So none of the language that we use here is specific network marketing. We don't use those terms because our company is an investment company and not a multi-level marketing company. And then our affiliate rewards program really is just a referral program. So this is a picture of Marvin and I. Marvin and I are jumping in the air. You see the horizon in the background. That just tickles me because we're free, right? Financially free. And you know, in order to obtain financial freedom, that you know that you have obtained financial freedom once income exceeds your expenses. You all, I thank you for your time tonight. It's a pleasure to share with optional affiliate rewards program. Marvin has already shared with you what it takes to get started. If you would like to just test the system out and oh, let me see if this works, I have $200 or $300 to put in so I can just see all the workings. In fact, take the first step now. Go to your app store, your app store, or your Google Play Store, and download your cryptocurrency wallet. The one that we use that we love because of the security and it's very straightforward is an Exodus wallet. Then get with the person whose watch party you're watching, whoever invited you to this presentation. Get with them. Let them know that you already have your wallet. That way they know that you're serious. That way they know you're serious about beginning this investment. And you know, thank you for your time. We will advance. And I just want to tell you this. I look forward to seeing you soon. I will see you at the top because the bottom is way too crowded. Marvin, thank you so much for this opportunity and all you do. And I'm ready to bless some more folks.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. I appreciate you for everything. And absolutely, this was truly a blessing. Thank you for all you do for the team, for the mission, and definitely being the servant leader. So now is the time for our questions and answers. Do we have any questions whatsoever? Any questions? Just go ahead and type your questions in the chat.
Carnice has put the link for the Exodus wallet in.
Awesome. Thank you, Carnice, and gratitude. All right. Do we have any questions? Going once. Thank you so much, Nisha. Blessings to you, Queen. We appreciate you for logging on. Any questions, Jitra?
Blessings.
All right.
Jitra says she's gonna get with her person who referred her.
Absolutely.
She's got her Bitcoin wallet and give you a call, Mr. Marvin.
Absolutely. You better download that Exodus and be in profit tomorrow. Well, guys, this has been an amazing, blessed, prosperous Money Maker Mondays. We're so excited. You guys can see I'm beat, but Again, we're committed to do this each and every day to free so many people. We've impacted so many lives in just the past 72 hours. I'm really thankful and grateful that we can make a difference. I'm thankful for you, Coach, for all you do. Absolutely deep drop to the inbox. And I'm so thankful for all investors. So thankful for even just this grateful blessing. And I'm so thankful that we've been blessed that we can share this blessing. So, guys, we'll see you tomorrow, bright and early. You
Yeah.
already know, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. What is that? 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. No matter where you're at in the world, if you're
Yes.
watching the watch party, please get back with the person that invited you to this. Thank them, get their free link, and you will be blessed. I promise you will be mightily blessed, and your life will never be the same. We're so thankful for this. We're so thankful that we were able to share this blessing with you all. This call is officially over. Good night and have a blessed evening.
God, good night, good night.